Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to wash your baby's toys, especially the teddy bears or anything that has wool on it. Usually for me napenda kuonyesha the simple ways of doing things, so today I'm gonna be showing you the simple way of washing that, and in a manner that hautazirarua and zitaka for long, because with this economy we need to really take good care of things. So guys, stay tuned up to the end of this video. Normally kuna toys aina nyingi, but for me today nataka nionyeshe how to wash your teddy bears ama anything that has wool or cloth on it. So guys, this is how to do it. As you can see here, niko na maji yangu kwa my bucket, and then over here I have some Omo, so you can either use Omo ama detergent, depends on you kitu yenye like unatumianga sana sana kuosha. So this is how you go about it. Fungua Omo yako, then tia just a small portion, and then unaika kwa besini yako. And remember guys, this is just the simple way to do it. Of course kuna other ways, but for me I'm gonna be doing the simple ways. I mean, kitu yenye you can afford to do even at home. So today I'm gonna be washing just some small toys, and as you can see here I have a cart ni kadogo. So leo nataka tu nionyeshe. For a start I'm gonna be showing you na utu dolls tudogo. So you put it ndani ya maji, and then over here I have a tortoise, unakaeka pia kwenye maji, and then over here I have a cartoon. I don't know its name. For me, I'm not good with cartoons, but I know it's a cartoon character. Lakini sijui ni mgani huyo. So also you put him inside, and over here of course I have a small book which has fruits inside. Also you dip it inside. Inside my bucket, this is what I have, and sorry guys, in this case I'm using a smaller bucket, like haina space, but there at home you can use yenye iko na space kiasi, and next time maybe nikifanya hizo toys kubwa nitafanya na hiyo yenye iko na space. So hivyo ndo zinakaa, alafu unaweza tu zifinya. So for this guys, you dip them there, alafu unazisoak like for approximately 10 minutes ndo zikuwe zimemwaga uchafu. Tumefika process ya kuziosha, and this is how you do it. Unachukua, you squeeze the water. This is how I wash my dolls, and let me tell you, ikitoka hapa itakuwa ikiwa safi, na sijatumia brush wala kuifinya sana ama kuisugua sana to a point that inararuka. So guys, this is how you wash them. Unafinya, just use your hands kufinya, especially places zenye kuna uchafu. Unafinya. So by this utapata dolls zako mtoi anakaa nazo hadi miaka, because you don't like hurt them ama like uzi spoil by kutumia a lot of force kuziosha. Dolls zako zinakuwa supu, zinakuwa safi tena, and from that you just go and like hang them outside place kuna kajua. So yeah, it's as simple as that. Si lazima utumie yani kitu ingine expensive kuosha. Just kama kidogo maji yako, soak for 10 minutes, and then after that start squeezing them. Unaona? Una squeeze hivyo tu kwenye kuna uchafu. Unaona? And with that you achieve your goal. Ya dolls zako ziko safi, haujaziumiza, haujazi spoil, you know, because at the end of the day hii economy inataka mtu ujipange, usiharibu vitu ovyo. Yeah, and it's as simple as that guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned on today's video, and I'll see you next time. Love you all. Bye guys.